Hello friends, welcome to Samyal Darbar. Today we are going to see how to do bakery style donuts, soft donuts without any yeast or without any oil. This is a very useful recipe. Please try it out at your home. Now for this I have taken 1 cup of maida or plain flour. With this I am adding 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of thick curd. Now I am going to mix it up to make a soft dough. It should be very soft. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk little by little to make the dough even more soft. Now the dough is ready. I am applying oil, 1 teaspoon of oil, and I am closing it for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I am preheating the cooker for 10 minutes and I am greasing the idli plate with some oil, or you can use butter to grease it. Now I'll show you how to make donuts shape. I'm taking a big ball of dough and then I'm rolling it. The thickness should be like this. Then I'm taking a katori and making a donut shape. I'm taking a bottle cap and then making another round inside it. Now the donuts are ready to be baked. I'll show you another time how to do a donut shape. Now usually they would be using oil to fry the donuts and they will be using yeast, but here in this recipe I'm not using any oil for frying or yeast for baking. It's just with baking powder and baking soda. So the donuts are ready to be baked now. I'm putting it up in the idli plate and then I'm brushing up some oil on top. I'm going to bake this up for around 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. Now I'll show you the same process as how to do in oven, conventional oven. So I'm brushing oil on top of the donuts and then I'm preheating the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and I'm baking it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'll show you how to make a glaze for the donuts. I'm taking 3/4 cup of sugar, powdered sugar, adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of milk. Now I'm going to mix it up thoroughly. I'm keeping water in a saucepan and I'm keeping a bowl with milk chocolate, that is 50 grams of milk chocolate. You can even use dairy milk. Now I'm doing as a double boiling method. Now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of milk. I'm adding milk to get a shining texture. Now the chocolate glaze is ready. Another glaze with white chocolate I'm doing. You can do it with Milky Bar chocolate. Taking 50 grams of white chocolate and by double boiling method I'm melting it and then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of milk. Now the white chocolate glaze is also ready. Now see how the yummy donuts have come. It's been very soft and puffed up and raised up. Now I'm going to glaze it with the chocolate glaze. I'm dipping it directly. Now you have to dip it and keep it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes to get a shining glaze. Now I'll show you how shining my donuts are. Yeah, and now you can decorate it with some sprinkles which you get it in the supermarket. Try this recipe. This is very useful recipe. Now if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.